for next stop.
What happens if you open?
So now that we're able, we ask you please to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched on. We also suggest that whenever you are seated and the seatbelt sign is off, please ensure it's fastened as you can have some unexpected temperature. Please take extra care when opening any of the overhead compartments to ensure that nothing falls out. Smoking, vaping and the use of e-cigs or anything that resembles any of these is not allowed on board, and the charging of any of their devices, including batteries, is prohibited at this time. As an airline, we have a zero tolerance policy towards any disruptive behaviour of any kind, whether that be to your fellow crew members or your customers, so would you actually please to treat us as you'd like to be treated yourself. And on today's aeroplane we do have active CCTV images as well. On board there are 3 toilets for your use, one situated at the very front of the cabin, and this is next to the flight deck door, 2 situated at the very rear. Can you please also dispose of hand towels and nappies within the waste bin within the toilets, and please do not put nappies in the back of the seat itself. Whenever queuing for the forward toilet, please only do so on the carpeted area, no more than 2, as is a restricted area. Thank you. Cabin service will resume shortly. In the meantime, please now sit back and enjoy the start of your holiday. Once again, I'd like to remind you, please, if you have a passenger board who has an allergy towards nut products, if you have any nut products within your possession or within the ingredients of anything you may have on you, we ask you please to refrain from using it. Thank you. seatbelt secure.